So this question is a vocabulary question. These questions are always at the very start of the reading and writing section, typically the first 5 or 6 questions. And they are most obviously recognized by being the first 5 or 6 questions, but also by the fact that each answer choice is a single word, which is why I call it vocabulary. The way to answer these questions correctly, consistently, is to make a decision based upon the context, right? Based upon the context of the passage, not based upon how the word answer choices sound when you read them. So context is more important than sound. So as usual, on the reading and writing section, I recommend that you always start by reading the blurb above so you know what you're looking for before you start reading. In this case, it says, as used in the text, what does the word quality most nearly mean? So we know that all of our attention is on the context around why the passage uses the word quality. Let's get started. I don't really care so much about this. So let me get here. Jay Gatsby was balancing himself on the dashboard of his car with that resourcefulness of movement that is so peculiarly American, that comes, I suppose, with the absence of lifting work in youth, and even more, with the formless grace of our nervous, sporadic games. This quality, which quality? Which quality we're talking about? What is the only quality that has been discussed about Jay Gatsby in the passage? Well, we've heard about the quality of his resourcefulness. And that's pretty much it, right? Everything else is a description of that. So this is the quality that we're talking about. So this quality was continually breaking through his punctilious manner in the shape of restlessness. So this is a bit of a distraction. In case if you don't know the definition of this word, don't worry so much about it, because again, our attention is on the word quality. And we know that from a context standpoint, that this quality is his resourcefulness. So is resourcefulness a standard? Is resourcefulness a prestige? Is resourcefulness a characteristic? Or is resourcefulness an accomplishment? And we'll see that resourcefulness definitely is not an accomplishment. Resourcefulness is not prestige, exactly. And resourcefulness is definitely not a standard, but it is a characteristic, right? If you say someone is resourceful, you're saying they have the characteristic or the trait of being resourceful, right? So choice C is the best answer because it fits the context. And the main thing I want you to take away from this video is I never just read every answer choice in replacement of quality to get a sense for how it sounds. I don't care so much about how it sounds. I care more so about the definition and meaning of every word and the context, right? I want a context match. So context match is important here. So our correct answer here is choice C.